So what are the best penny stocks to buy on October 8th, 2024? Well, number one recommendation is On Track Inc. Stock symbol OTRK. It is up today 134% or $2.41, trading at $4.23. Since this morning, it already traded 75 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $25 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? I'm not sure what they do. On Track could be anything. Maybe it has to do with technology, maybe GPS or something. But the main thing is it was a small company that was not really very interesting for the investors. Meaning that it was, for the last 6 months, it was barely trading, maybe a few hundred shares a day, if that. Meanwhile, since there was no buyer support for that stock, it collapsed from $7 all the way to $2 over the course of 6 months. However, some news arrived today and suddenly everybody wants it. So the market is pushing the stock to it's not 6-month high, but still like in the middle of its range, because right now if you decide to jump into that stock at $4.23 and your upside potential is, let's say, $7, yeah, potentially you could make almost 100% on your money. So, but the main thing is that you have to go check it out and see what news are driving that stock, because 75 million shares kind of tells you that this is very significant news. That could be long-term playing news where the stock will be continuing to be pushed up, even though the news were released, let's say a week ago. So, but it's up to you to kind of like make that decision, because the most important part is that will it go up after you buy it? And I like to buy stocks that have a lot of demand from the market. So take a look and maybe put some money into it. On Track Inc. Stock symbol OTRK. Only $4.23 a share. Next one is Verb Technology Company. Stock symbol VERB. It is up today 11% or 1 cent, trading at 5 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 87 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $10 million. So, again, I'm not sure what this company does when it says a Verb Technology. Maybe it has to do something with, either text recognition, or maybe, that software that talks to you. Maybe they're using AI for that. But the main thing is that it's a tiny company. 6 months ago, it used to trade at around 21 cents a share. Over the last 6 months, it was trading, but kind of thinly, and it basically collapsed to 3 cents. So from 21 cents to 3 cents. And from time to time they did have some spikes in volume, at least, but these spikes never materialized into spikes in stock price. So, but today could be still a pretty good way to invest, because you're buying that stock at a 6-month low. And if you jump in right now, let's say at 5 cents, and it goes back to, let's say, 21 cents, you're talking about 400% return on your investment. But you kind of need to take a look and see what's going on there. So, Verb Technology Company, stock symbol VERB, only 5 cents a share. Next one is Air Force Growing Systems. Stock symbol AGRI. It is up today 46% or 2 cents, trading at 7 cents a share only. Since the morning, it already traded, guess what, 216 million shares. So this stock is super hot. Everybody's trying to jump in, especially at such a low price of 7 cents. So market cap for the company is roughly $15 million. So it's a tiny company, used to trade at 18 cents a share, then it collapsed all the way to 4. And they did have some spikes, but still the stock was declining. So some, I guess, pretty powerful news came out today, and the stock is producing huge volume and 50% jump in stock price. So it could be something very significant, something that could possibly take the company back to its previous levels and make you some money. But you have to take a look and see what news are driving it, because they could be a gimmick news, or it could be serious news that will benefit the company for a long term. So AgriForce Growing Systems. Oh, I thought it was Air Force. AgriForce Growing Systems. Stock symbol AGRI. Only 7 cents a share. Next one is Laser Photonics Corporation. Stock symbol LASE. It is up today 54%, or $2.34, trading at $6.66. Since this morning, it already traded 20 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $250 million. So what can I tell you about this company? I mean, probably some kind of technology company, since we have the word laser there, and photonics. Probably has to do maybe with lasers, maybe with weapons, maybe with some other kind of like, I don't know, laser-based instruments. But the main thing is the company, all the way till, I would say, September, was very quiet. It was trading at around like $1 or $2 and wasn't really going anywhere. Then something started to happen in September, and it started to climb. It went from $3 to $18 in a matter of a month. Okay. However, it stayed at $18 for a very short period of time. Then it started to collapse from 18 to 12, from 12 to 6. So now the question is, some kind of news arrived today, and the stock is going back up after a major collapse. So are the news really good, really powerful, that would make this company recover and go back from $6 to, let's say, $18? Or those are minor kind of news with very short-term lifespan? So, but you have to take a look and see what's going on there. But in any case, if you decide to actually pull the trigger, put some money into it, the good thing is that you're still getting it at almost 6-month low. Not quite, but at least you're not getting it for $18 like some people did. So, but take a look, see what's going on there, and put some money into it. So Laser Photonics Corporation, stock symbol LASE, only $6.66 a share. Next one is Nuburu Inc. Stock symbol BURU. It is up 45% today, or 20 cents, trading at 65 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 36 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $4 million. So, not sure what this company does, but it kind of sounds a little bit familiar. So, but the main thing is, it was a small company 6 months ago. Believe it or not, it used to trade at $10 a share. In fact, it was trading $10 a share in May of this year. Then it started to collapse. It went from $10 to $2 in a matter of a month. So after that, it was basically hovering around $2. I mean, like $2, and sometimes spiking once to $4, but then basically staying around $2. Now even like $1. So, but some kind of news has again arrived today, and everybody is trying to get in. So, Buru, 65 cents a share.